Greetings to the part of the video. Let's run tests, fix what is not working, and have a great code. Okay, let's fix this test. Basically, I have 4 tests. 2 of them are integration tests, 2 unit tests. And if I run this ones, yeah, it all works. Basically, it's able to use these vmaps properly. And this one, mapping class, the map class. Basically, this properly maps to employees, and all is working. So database, first would be, I just run it, exception, that's because we haven't applied any migration. I'll do that now, I'll add migrations, as I have shown before. For adding migrations, I want to do a small trick. So I have this quite complex structure right now, and it's already existing data. I have data. I want to migrate it to this new structure. And although it can be done by scripts, I want to explore a slightly different option, which is useful if you actually cannot do it by script, because it's not always possible. How would I do it? I basically would create 2 new datasets, but I would keep the old one, and the old one basically had everything that was in the CSV model. So let's move it here, here, model, and what was the name? Employees. Installed. Do I need to add any configuration? I think. Okay, so this will keep collection of the old data. This will be 2 new tables that are added. Now let's try to add migration. Yes, first one also employee data system will requires the primary key to be defined. We know how to fix that one. Again. Applied migration. Let's check. So we have employees. Employees has everything that it was before. Great, data intact. We have employees new. Only these columns and employee data columns and foreign key to employee ID. Great. Now I would like to migrate my data. For that, let's go back to tests. Manual migration. So I'll put this code in the test, and what it will do, it will read from employee data CSV table, which has data, employees table, and insert into our 2 new tables, which are right now empty. Move data. Context. First of all, existing data. Context dot employees, because it has CSV model data. We need. Now let's use group by. So we will need a group by tax ID, and for each group, for each take existing data and group it, group by what we group it. Now we have a group. So this part need to create two collections. First will be collection of is that I will insert. Employee model. Second, employee data. And now here we just need for each group corresponds to one tax ID, so it's one employee, so we need to add one record to employees. And this is yeah, let's extract a logic that will create an employee from CC employee. Employee model. And the rest we take from first element of the group. Same with the first date, data is null, same with join date, same with last name. What else do we have? Employee divided by auto insert, employee's data. Not great. So this is done. And also we need to employee data. Average. Here we just take this better employee group, rename it group of employee data, employee date. That's the most accurate name. And employee, we add a range. Take the group, we select for each. And here we need to assign properties. Run this one. And why? Just properties, December, February, March, etc. Here's one more thing. So we need to set how it will work. So now I need to bulk insert both of them. Let's do that. Context. Insert. Okay, so think. First, what we want to insert, please. And then data. However, if we put it just like this, it will not work. Why? Because employees data have a foreign key to employee ID. And it is not set, and we can set it only after the employees have been inserted. First of all, we need to tell the extension bulk inserted sync to return us employee IDs after it has inserted. Bulk config. Here we will set output identity. By default, it's false. Okay, and we will this config here. Okay. So with this, after this operation executes, employees will have their IDs set. That's why I have, so I moved employee here to a separate variable because I want to save it here to know which employee data has reference to each employee. And now the only last thing before bulk inserting thing is to iterate through employee data and assign actually employee ID. Let's test it out. And we have employees, 73,000 employee data. Okay, let's see if insert works. Breakpoint here, let it go. Okay, so after this, employees should be inserted. We new. Yep. Table is full. Excellent. Now let's check, for instance, if the ID, yeah, ID has been set back. Right, that's what we needed. Okay, now I'm going here. And well, test executed successfully. And if we check employee data, yep, all is great. All the data has been moved. Good. What else do we have in generation? Yeah, generation will let me think what we want to do with this test. Find employee, I guess, should work as is. Yeah, all is well. Now with this test, it was generating a big file and then inserting it. This is fine. Save data to database. Okay. For now, let's do the following. We can't use this method anymore because this one just creates actually employee CSV data, big data. So we can remove this parts for now and just store the whole CSV to database. It should be done pretty simple, basically. Context is there, I think. And here, let's make this method public and use it in the test. And files, we don't need any of that. SQL data generator, get records to list. Array. Pass row count and year count. That's right. And all is fine. Whew. All right. Big ones. Normalization, and you have seen that a lot of things need to be refactored, changed, model recreated, but it brings its value. Of course, it's easier if you know beforehand that you will have this table and that tables, but in real world it doesn't work like that. You get data and then requirements change again and again. So here it's kind of a simulation of what is happening, how iteratively we get to better and better codes that can do more and more. Hope you enjoyed this one, and see you. Bye for now.